In this video we will see how to edit point categories with TCP PointCloud Editor. First, let's check the properties of some points in the cloud, checking that in some cases the category is correct and in others not. We set the symbology in RGB color and we will work in a project area. We select the points of interest by defining a polygon. And we use the filter option to hide the rest. We switch to front view and increase the size of the points. We go to edit the properties of the categories, and activate the User Categories tab. Let's create a new category for the points that belong to the streetlights, with code 32. Now we select the points belonging to a lamppost. We run the category assignment tool and choose the one we just created. We modify the symbology of the cloud and verify that the edited points assume the color of the new category.